Moving on in another news, in a bid to promote environmental sustainability and community health, the Obijackson Foundation, in collaboration with the Okija Brothers Assembly, has launched the Keep Okija Clean initiative. The program, officially unveiled at the Mary's School Field, Okija, Ihia local government area, aims to improve sanitation, waste management, and environmental awareness in the community. Faith Onyemuche has the details.
Speaking at the launch, the Anambra State Commissioner for Environment, Engineer Felix Odumegu, who spoke highly of the project, said with the launch of Keep Okija Clean, Okija has taken the lead in environmental sustainability. Engineer Odumegu emphasized that the public-private community partnership model of Governor Chukwuma Soludo's administration continues to yield positive results, praising the Obijackson Group for prioritizing health and cleanliness.
The Obijackson Foundation, in connection with the Okija Enyi, exhibited a gesture that is worthy of emulation.
In an interview with the ABS, the founder of the Obijackson Group, Chief Ernest Obijackson, and the president of Okija Brothers Assembly, Chief Chinedu Ononuju, described the initiative as a call to action for Anambra, highlighting that a clean environment aligns with the vision of a healthy and livable Anambra as championed by the state government. They urged community members to dispose of waste properly using designated bins that will be placed at strategic locations and to adhere strictly to environmental regulations.
The essence of an initiative is not only to drive it for your community, but to let others learn. You recognize that most people get sick because of that. And healthy environment is very, very important.
To help our people to sanitize our town, to make sure that everywhere is well kept and clean.
From Okija, Faith Onyemuche, ABS News.